Welcome to How2Mechanics. In this video, I'll be showing how to wire in a wireless remote control for your belly dump. I'll have a link in the description below for this product. I'm going to wire this into the trailer itself, that way you can hook up any truck to the trailer and still have the remote control. I'm going to pull the power from the clearance light harness. You want to find the ground and the clearance light wiring. On this one, it's going to be the top and then the top right. So now we're underneath on the back side of the trailer. I'm going to unhook the ground wire and the clearance light wire. On this trailer, there is existing wiring for the belly dump switch. So we're going to end up just cutting those wires and then tying these together. I'm going to cut the clearance light wire and the ground wire on the back side of the trailer harness. And then get them prepped for the wire connectors. On the remote control solenoid, there's an input and an output. Make sure you put the input on the trailer side. And what I've done is I've taken the two existing trailer wires, connected the ground to the ground side, and then the clearance light wire to the positive side of the switch. And now I'm going to reconnect this back into the main harness of the trailer. And now on the output side of the remote control switch, I'm going to wire the ground to the ground and the positive to the positive. With everything hooked up, I'm going to do some testing before I heat shrink everything together. It's a very simple circuit. All I'm doing is stealing power from the ground and trailer lights to send power to the switch. So right now the wireless remote should not work because I do not have the clearance lights on. I wired it like this so it's sort of kind of like a safety switch. And now that I flipped the lights on, it should work with the remote control. Make sure to check your local and state regulations to make sure this is a legal option. Thank you for watching How2Mechanics. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me out, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.